As much as the idea is alluring, it's still only an idea. Recently, this thought has echoed in my mind as I reflect on the myriad experiences gathered over 46 years on this planet. The allure of ideas often blinds us to the realities they may neglect, leaving us questioning if we are truly moving forward or merely spinning in place. Take, for example, a television show I recently watched promoting feminism. The portrayal of powerful women, driven by career ambitions, felt both empowering and troubling. These women were depicted as prioritizing their careers above relationships, often switching partners without a second thought. While the intention behind showcasing independence is commendable, the narrative seemed to strip away the complexity of human relationships. It pushed the idea of choice but did so at the expense of empathy and connection. At the heart of feminism is the belief in equal opportunities for all, women and men alike. It's about choice, respect, and acknowledging the diverse paths individuals may choose. A woman can opt to be a stay-at-home mom, crafting lunches and ferrying children to school, without losing her identity or dignity. Her choices deserve validation, regardless of how they align with societal norms or expectations. The movement should champion these choices, respecting women for their diverse lifestyles rather than promoting a singular, often harsh, narrative of empowerment. When you layer in issues of ageism, cultural biases, and male chauvinism, the picture grows even murkier. The complexities of human experience cannot be distilled into a binary framework of success and failure, independence and dependence. True progress lies in understanding and respecting individual choices rather than forcing a monolithic ideal onto everyone. So, as I ponder the ideas that circulate in our culture, I'm left with a profound realization: if an idea exists solely to repudiate others and lacks a foundation of respect and understanding, then it is not a worthwhile idea. It becomes a shallow reflection of empowerment, failing to address the rich tapestry of human experience. In the end, let's strive for ideas that celebrate individuality and promote understanding. The allure of an idea is only as valuable as the respect it fosters for all choices and perspectives. Only then can we claim to be truly advancing as a society.